Hello guys, I am Shahzad Ahmed and I'm recommending lecture number 2nd. Today we are going to download and install the Notepad++, which is a editor we are using in the series. Make sure we are working on the HTML. This is the HTML series. So first of all, go to your google.com and write your notepad. So this is the first result. Click on the Notepad++. So you can see the current version, which is the 7.5.8. so 7.58 is the current version while I'm recording this lecture. Okay, so how can you download? Just click on the download button. Make sure you have to just go to your PC properties, and as you can see I have 64-bit operating system, so that's why I have to download the 64-bit Notepad++. If you have 32-bit OS, then you can also download the 32-bit. Okay, so as you can see, Notepad++ installer 32-bit, and this is the download 64-bit. so Notepad installer 64-bit. just click on the 64-bit. now I am downloading the Notepad++ 4.4 MB setup. So wait for a few seconds, and now hit this button. We have downloaded. Now we are going to install the Notepad++. So this is the editor. Just click on the yes, next. I'm going to install my editor in my C drive. You can also choose your drive where you can install your Notepad++. I'm installing in the C drive. Just click on the next and next. Check out this, next, and wait for a few seconds so it can install your editor for you. Okay, now you have successfully installed the Notepad++. So this is the Notepad++ environment. Okay, so we will discuss about how can you create your files, and where you can save your files, how you can interact with your editor. So we will discuss about the editor in our later lectures. In our next lecture we are going to overview our editor, and I will teach you how can you create your first HTML file and how can you save your first HTML file. So thank you for watching.